Learn a new language and you'll discover a new world.
Stand 4.
You've been quiet today. Everything okay?
Yeah, just thinking about what I stand for.
That's important to know.
I guess I want to stand for being someone people can trust. Stand-in.
Are you busy tomorrow? We might need your help.
Sure, I can stand in if someone's missing.
Actually, could you stand in for Mike? He's not feeling well.
No problem. I'll stand in for him all day if needed. Stand out.
Wow, you did a great job on this project.
Thanks. I wanted it to really stand out from the others.
Well, you definitely succeeded.
I'm glad it could stand out and get noticed. Stand up. Hey, are you still working on that report?
Yeah, there's so much to do.
You've been sitting there for hours.
All right, I'll stand up for a bit.
Good idea. It's not healthy to sit too long.
Yeah, I'll stand up and walk around a little.
Stand down.
What are they doing?
They've been arguing all day.
Should we keep arguing too?
No, let's stand down.
You're right, it's not worth it.
It's better to stand down than make things worse. Stand over. Are you almost done with the report?
Not yet. Please don't stand over me while I work.
Sorry, I didn't mean to make you nervous.
It's okay. Just try not to stand over me next time.
Stand by.
Hey, you okay? You seem a bit down.
Yeah, something's not right.
I know this isn't easy for you.
Thanks. It means a lot to hear that. You'll stand by me.
Of course, I won't let you face this alone.
I am glad you're here to stand by my side. Stand aside. Hey, what are you doing here?
Please stand aside. I need to go through.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
It's okay. Just stand aside next time, so no one bumps into you.
Well done. That's enough for today. Here's your sentence to practice. Stand up for yourself. Stand out from the crowd. Stand for your beliefs. And never stand down when chasing your dreams.